Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should not buy an Adsense account. That risks permanent bans and lost revenue. Instead, start now by preparing a legitimate property. Publish 15-30 original posts, create about, contact, and privacy policy pages, and make navigation intuitive. Once done, confirm your content follows Adsense policies for copyright, adult material, and prohibited content. Make sure your site is at least a few weeks old with consistent traffic signals. This foundation is essential because Google prioritizes quality and compliance over quick shortcuts. You apply directly through the official Adsense signup. Do not use third parties. Provide accurate personal and tax details because payments depend on verified identity and tax status. Verify your domain ownership using the HTML tag, DNS-TXT, or file upload method. This proves you control the site and speeds approval. While waiting, focus on user metrics. Reduce bounce, increase session duration, and ensure mobile responsiveness. These signals help automatic reviews and improve the chance of approval. Once approved, place the Adsense ad code or enable auto ads and test placements for layout and UX. Monitor the Policy Center and Analytics daily to catch policy violations or traffic spikes that could trigger holds. If Google disapproves your application or disables ads, do not attempt to buy an account. Instead, address the specific policy issues, remove problematic content, document your fixes, and submit an appeal or reapply. This approach protects your long-term revenue and keeps your account in good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.